I decided to work for CEBA because I wanted to do something that mattered. Climate change was something that was really concerning to me, and it just seemed like such a great company with a great culture and a good mission. I think CEBA is successful because of its members. The CEBA member community really is passionate about clean energy and procuring clean energy and getting this to become the norm. It's a bunch of smart people, and when they come together, it really makes for like that special secret sauce for CEBA. They have enriched my life in a lot of ways because I get to work on something that I care about. Every day I'm sort of happy that I'm working at a good company that's like, we're the good guys. I think there's a lot of expansion opportunity. We can grow our member base and we can grow the resources we put out and the policy impacts that we have. And I think CEBA's name will just be stamped on even more initiatives throughout the United States and globally.